Alright, check this out. This is another reverb processing tutorial. This time I'm going to talk about how to add cool pitch drifts inside of a reverb. For that I will use Skynet, but this tutorial works with all kinds of reverbs. I will now play back the sound and you take notice at the moment where this automation comes into play. Did you hear the pitch drift? If you didn't, I will now play it back without it. Now I will show you how it's done. So as you can see, this is a NEL tutorial again, and as you know, NEL is my vibrato plugin. But I also added a macro modulator to it, which just modulates the delay directly. In order to get this sensation, you have to start by going into the options menu and set look ahead to off. The other settings don't matter, even though I would say it works better when you are using a high buffer size like 80 milliseconds, so that you can get a very drastic sound. Now the next thing that I did was I actually applied the parameter macro to the macro modulator of the delay and the depth, so that these two are getting turned up by, you know, turning up the macro parameter, and that gets you the sound. The reason for that is that this basically cycles through the entire delay pretty quickly, and that creates a pitch drift. The difference between this pitch drift and the other modulators in this plugin that also cause pitch drifts is that this is a pitch drift that you can dial in a very precise way. It's not something that runs on the track continuously, but just on this specific moment here, which kind of just adds a nice little detail to the reverb in a compository way. See ya next time. Cheers.